In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to wrap text around an image in Google Slides. This is a helpful technique that can enhance the visual appeal and clarity of your presentations. We'll dive into two effective methods, using text boxes and using shapes. Let's start by focusing on the text box approach. First, you want to insert your image onto the slide. Simply navigate to the top menu, click on Insert, then select Image. From there, you have several options to choose your desired image, whether it's from your device, Google Drive, or an online source. Once your image appears on the slide, take a moment to adjust its size and position to fit the layout that you're aiming for. Grab the corners to resize and click and drag to move the image around. Next up, you'll need to insert a text box. Return to the Insert menu and select Text Box. Now, draw the text box by clicking and dragging your cursor on the slide. It can be placed next to or around the image, whichever works best for your design. This text box will be where you input your text. You can either start typing directly or paste text if you've already prepared it elsewhere. Once your text is inside the box, you can adjust and format it to enhance the wrapping effect. This includes resizing and repositioning the text box to snugly fit your content around the image. Additionally, you might want to look at text alignment options. Selecting Justify, for example, can offer a clean and tidy look that helps guide the viewer's eye. Now, let's shift to Method 2, which involves using shapes. Begin by going to the Insert tab, just like before, but this time select Shape. You'll find a variety of shapes to choose from, including rectangles, circles, and more. For a straightforward text wrap, a rectangle is a solid choice. Click and drag to draw the shape on your slide. Once in place, click on the shape and start typing or paste in your text directly. One benefit here is that the text will automatically wrap within the shape's borders, making this process quite intuitive. After your text is in the shape, it's time to adjust and format as needed. You can modify the size of the shape to ensure all your text fits well, and you can also change the text alignment, font style, and other formatting options to align with your presentation's theme. Both methods offer flexibility, so feel free to experiment with each to determine which works best for your specific presentation needs. Whether you want a clean, straightforward look with a text box or a more integrated design using a shape, you've got the tools to create a polished, professional slide. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you make your Google Slides presentations even more impactful.